Welcome back. I am Zarna. HVAC for industrial application. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning. HVAC systems for industrial applications are designed to provide comfort and maintain optimal working conditions in large facilities. Designing an effective HVAC system requires careful consideration of specific needs of the facility, including the types of processes involved, the layout of the space, and regulatory requirements. Here are some key aspects and components of industrial HVAC systems: heating systems, ventilation systems, cooling systems, air distribution systems, controls and automation, energy efficiency, air quality considerations, and special applications. ABB HVAC drives are advanced variable frequency drives designed specifically to control the speed and torque in electric motor in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning applications. Here are some key features and benefits of ABB HVAC drives. ABB HVAC drives are essential components in modern HVAC systems, providing efficiency, control, and reliability. Their advanced features make them suitable for a wide range of industrial and commercial applications, helping to meet both performance and sustainability goals.